Life's challenges can often leave you feeling on edge, with your body tense and your mind in hyper-vigilance. Together, we will ease these sensations and guide our awareness back to a state of tranquility and delight. Welcome to the Mindful Movement. I'm Sara Raymond, and today's practice is a gentle journey toward reclaiming inner safety, restoring peace, and reawakening joy. As we begin, I invite you to make yourself comfortable. Choose a posture that feels supportive and nurturing. You may close your eyes to turn your attention inward, or simply soften your gaze downward. Take a moment to truly arrive for this practice. Start by taking a few deep, intentional breaths. With each inhalation, fill your lungs fully, embracing the life-giving air. And with each exhalation, release any tension or worries you may be carrying. As you settle in, allow yourself a moment to reflect on what brought you here. As you continue to settle into this moment, I'll guide you to connect more deeply with your body's 3 dimensions to center your length, width, and depth. These dimensions are not just physical measures, but are symbolic of how you occupy space in the world and within yourself. Start by focusing on your length, the vertical alignment that connects you from the earth to the sky. Breathe into this length of your spine. Imagine it elongating with each breath. Feel your spine gently stretching, your crown toward the sky above, and your tailbone grounding you toward the earth below. With each inhale, envision your spine growing longer, creating space between each vertebra. With each exhale, maintain this length, feeling a sense of elongation and dignity. Embrace this length as you claim space in the world, standing tall and proud. Allow this feeling to resonate within you, symbolizing your rightful place in the universe. Now shift your focus to your width, the horizontal expansion across your shoulders and rib cage. As you inhale, allow your ribs to expand outward. Feel your chest open and your heart space widen. As you become aware of your body's width, let this expansion translate into a broader perspective of the world around you. Feel a connection to the space and beings around you, recognizing that you are an integral part of the interconnected web of life. Let this realization fill you with a sense of belonging and community. Now focus on your depth, the front to back dimension that connects you with your past and your future. Breathe deeply into your abdomen and back, filling both the front and back of your body with air. Symbolically connecting with your personal history and the possibilities that lie ahead. With each breath, feel yourself tapping into the richness of your past experiences and the vast potential of your future. Visualize your roots reaching back through your lineage and your branches extending forward into your dreams and aspirations. As you breathe and connect with each of these dimensions, feel a harmonious integration within your body. This integration fosters a sense of completeness, balance, and wholeness. Your length, width, and depth work together to create a solid foundation from which you can move through life with grace and confidence. Recognize the safety within yourself that comes with taking up space in these interconnected dimensions. Take a few more breaths here, savoring the sensations of fullness and space within and all around you. Allow yourself to appreciate the stability and expansiveness that comes from being fully present in your body. Together, these elements create a sense of embodiment, dignity, and connection. Begin to bring your awareness back to the space around you. Feel the air on your skin and hear the subtle sounds in your environment. When you are ready, open your eyes, returning to the present moment with a renewed sense of calm and purpose. Carry this sense of peace and empowerment with you. Trust in your ability to navigate life's challenges with grace and confidence. Using this centering tool you've practiced today to guide you.